Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best salad dressing container that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the OXO Good Grips Salad Dressing Container. Passionate cocktail makers looking for a similar salad dressing making experience will love the OXO Good Grips Salad Dressing Shaker. This container is perfect for making, mixing, serving, and storing salad dressing, along with marinades and sauces. The wide opening of the bottle accommodates a variety of ingredients, from liquids to spices to purees. With a capacity of 1.5 cups, it's perfect for preparing your dressing for the whole week or a large family. Simply mix in a recipe, and serve directly from the container. Storage is made easy by a water and airtight, leak-proof seal. You can even carry the shaker in your office bag without worrying the dressing will spill. We like the convenient metric and imperial measurements on the side, which make it simple to keep track of the ingredients added. This comfortable, non-slip grip shaker is built to last and is painless to clean. Made from Triton, it is BPA-free and is dishwasher safe. Recommended by Cooks Illustrated and incredibly useful, this salad dressing container can be a perfect gift for a foodie or the chef in your life. Moving on at number 4, we have the Norpro 809 Salad Maker. This super saver bottle is the best salad dressing container if you are on a budget and want a container that can securely hold small to moderate amounts of salad dressings, marinades, and sauces. With this easy-to-use design by Norpro, you can shake to your heart's content when it comes to preparing your choicest salad dressing. Made with sustainable glass that does not break easily, this salad dressing shaker is a dainty product that will add to your culinary joys and make the whole experience of preparing dressings fun. This handy shaker measures 8.25 inches by 2.75 inches by 2.75, and can accommodate up to 11 ounces or 330 milliliters of fluid. The airtight lid of the Norpro 809 Salad Maker keeps all your ingredients fresh and helps lock all the flavors right inside the bottle for a considerable amount of time. The tight locking cap features a convenient pouring function as well. At number 3, we have the Zeppoli Oil and Vinegar Bottle Set. This premium product by Zeppoli features a duo of salad dressing or oil dispensers with an elegant and classic design that adds to the aesthetic appeal of any dinner table or kitchen console. These attractive glass bottles with a capacity of 17 ounces can contain salad dressings or dressing ingredients such as olive oil and vinegar, and ensure that they remain fresh for an extended period. Each bottle features a removable dual spout. The stopper features top-notch quality rubber that is BPA-free. The double spout is an innovative feature that allows you to control the speed you pour those liquids. Simply use the long spout for a slow and steady pour and go for the short spout if you prefer a quick and instant pour. Either way, the steadfast cork ensures that there is no dripping or spillage. Pouring the dressing from these bottles is also a very smooth operation thanks to the collapsible funnel that comes with the set. Other perks include 4 spout caps to safely cover the spouts when not in use and a polished steel rack to place the dispensers in. At number 2, we have the Sistema To Go Collection 1.18 ounces Salad Dressing Containers. The Sistema To Go Collection salad dressing containers are perfect for those looking to season their salad with several dressings instead of just one. They come in a set of 4 and are all made from high-quality, BPA-free plastic. With a capacity of 1.18 ounces each, these containers are perfect for keeping your salad dressing separate until you're ready to eat, but also are convenient to refrigerate or freeze homemade baby food. A classic design with screw-top lids and relatively large interiors make them very easy to clean. We love that they are dishwasher and microwave safe, as long as you microwave them without the caps. Each container has a differently colored top, so you can quickly know what's in there at a glance. With all these benefits and long-lasting, there is no wonder why Sistema's To Go salad dressing containers are our best choice pick. And finally at number 1, we have the Vinegar Squeeze Portable Salad Dressing Containers. The Vinegar Squeeze Portable Salad Dressing Bottles bring unrivaled value for money. Made from BPA-free silicone, they are much easier to use than our best choice, especially when you're on the go. Just fill each bottle with your favorite dressing, then squeeze it over your salad when you're hungry. A leak-proof valve controls the flow rate, while the removable caps and wide bottle opening ensure easy refilling. Taking care of the bottles is also a breeze. Just remove the caps and wash them thoroughly. Coming in different sizes, you can use them to separate multiple condiments and dressings. The set we chose consists of 4 37 ml bottles of different colors for quick identification of each condiment. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.